Today unboxing is something special. It's the Mini Cooper Christmas edition from Schuco. Unlike the regular version, you can see the outer box is in festive color in green and red. The casting is very unique as well. You can see all the snowflakes and the Christmas tree inside the casting, which we will take a closer look later. This Mini Cooper is distributed exclusively by Toy East in Hong Kong. Wow, it's very tiny in 1/64 proportion. I can't really gauge the size for the Hot Wheels and Tomica version because of its irregular scale, but now I really get a good sense and feel of this 1/64 Mini Cooper. It's really tiny. And you can see Schuco has put some effort into details on the front, which is great. And although the back rear lights are painted, it's still very detailed and precise. I'm also glad that the rubber wheel sets rolls perfectly well. I find it very amusing that the Christmas tree is just chucked inside the interior. I wonder how the driver will drive this Mini Cooper with a huge Christmas tree inside. This Christmas tree is also non-removable and is affixed to the casting. Overall, I can't say that the finishing is as polished as TLV, but it's very detailed and definitely a very interesting casting. And here's a Merry Christmas to all collectors. This Tarmac Works Porsche RWB 930 is a random giveaway to my subscribers who actively comment, like and share my videos in this channel. I will pick the lucky subscriber in the beginning of 2020. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!